everybody ready? Can you feel the beat steady? Brian and I to playing now. Whoa.
There you go. Been a week. Pacifica Pier 2024. Here with June. We got the Mando snares. It's about 3/4 of what he caught today. Shit works.
Mando. Satisfaction guarantee, man.
So if we come to Pacifica Pier and you want some Mando snares, June will hook you up.
You want a fucking Mando that can catch crab? Look for June, Mando snares.
Where's the Mando snare at? Yeah, baby. I got a couple on mine today too. The one I just bought from you.
Mando snare, man, guaranteed. You catch something.
Yep.
For people that don't know, fill the cage with bait, cast them out. They sit on the bottom. Crabs come to eat, and it's like a lasso. Catch them by the legs, reel them in.
All right, Mando Mark.
Have a good one.
You guys want some snares? Come see Mark.
Damn, man. There's a shit over here, bro. Hey, that line over there. Take the one with the orange tip.
line, bro. Everything's getting dragged in now.
Oh.
Oh, that's huge.
Everybody said you can't catch crabs.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Yeah!
Mando! Baby! Fuck yeah, my steer works!
That's right.
I told you never skunk with Mando, baby!
One claw for every
If everybody on the pier skunks, I'm on a skunk.
The first words were you were saying it wasn't good as last year, but if you use this, you won't get.
Videotape that little boy. That's my fucking adopted son I don't want. Oh,
Anyone?
another one of my boys.
Oh, fuck yeah. That one looks good.
Stay away from that green line. Stay away from that green line. No. Slack. Someone tighten that green line.
Get on fucking damn tap water.
Oh, don't move it. Okay, we're good. Dude, I got a big one.
Yeah!
Big one.
Skinny up.
Yeah, buddy.
Putang na shit. Puta madre.
Shit, shit.
Holy shit.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. No.
DJ, he can be your size, boy. Mando, baby.
Oh,
Mando is a giant.
Watch out!
Let's go.
Oh, I got your ass, boy!
Mando, baby. Mando, we can beat you on.
Let's go!
Damn, dude. I can't. Fuck. I feel bad for
Hey,
leaving.
Dennis, walk up on Bodega Bay. I ain't going there. I'll come here.
Yeah, Mando,
You see
baby.
that one?
Fuck
All
on
right.
that.
We gotta take new
Yeah.
pictures.